Got my temporary workstation set up in the new layout room. Been working on the Fleet. There's the layout. So I'm gonna fill in that gap there at the end. But anyway, what I want to show you today is one on Facebook Marketplace, and it's kind of hit or miss there, but I found a great guy up the road he had a whole lot of HO. He was taking down his layout, and he had all kinds of stuff, everything from Tyco to Athearn Blue Box to this here, which is a Blueprint series, branch line trains. So I'll show you that. I got that, and I got a bunch of vehicles. That's really what I was after, were vehicles. So this, it's one of these monogram Jaguar HO scale. This one here is a Audi. It's die-cast, good detail. I'm not sure of the brand there. It's a Dodge Viper. No, is it? Yeah, Dodge Viper. And that's metal, die-cast, HO scale, good detail. This is one of those, gosh, I forget the name of it. One of those old, like 1940s, 1950s, dingy toy, I think. But it's like in mint condition, and he had in the box. So we used to have a bunch of these when I was a kid. I think they were my dad's. But yeah, that one's pretty cool. So I won't go on the layout, but also this one. This is probably a 1960s vintage Matchbox, like mint. I had this when I was a kid. It got destroyed, of course. But yeah, that thing was like spotless. So I had to grab that. Wouldn't go too big for the layout. And then also this. If you've ever had Matchboxes back in the day, you probably recognize this one. Mercedes. Back when it was Lesney Products, made in the UK. Has the trailer. Both of them have the covers, original paint, so like they're mint. Had to grab those. Anyway, back to the layout stuff. This is a BMW metal 187 scale. This is a plastic. I don't know if it's like Herpa or one of those brands. It's a Mustang, but it's dingy, but I'll clean that up, and that's got nice detail on it. This one, actually I used to have one like this. It's an older BMW. Good detail. It's got a metal bottom, plastic body. Good for a background. This one is one of those retro Thunderbirds. It's metal, die-cast. It's true HO scale. And another monogram. This one, I'm not actually sure what that is. Oh, there you go, Pontiac Grand Prix. So, and I'm modeling the late 90s, early 2000s, so all these will work. This is a metal Volkswagen Beetle. And I thought this one was kind of cool. It's it's plastic, but it's good detail. It's an older truck. That might be cool just to rust up and have like sitting at the maintenance away yard. Just look like a forgotten old truck. Paint the tires. So yeah, all that, and then this rail car, which is a CP rail. It's a contemporary boxcar. It's got metal grab irons, it's got metal wheels, it's got the KD couplers, got the air hoses. So that's a nice one, a nice addition. So all that, believe it or not, 40 bucks. So he gave me a really fair deal. I mean, think about, you buy these things, they're like 20 bucks online anymore if you buy them from a retailer. Vehicles, I mean, anywhere from like 10 to 20, 25 bucks. So especially when you're looking for modern vehicles, which is what most of these are. I say modern, late 90s, early 2000s. So yeah, I think it's a bargain. I just lucked out. You usually don't find those kind of deals on Facebook Marketplace or eBay or anything anymore. And I got the Matchboxes, which honestly, these Matchboxes, I mean, I've seen these things go for like 30 bucks and more if they're in mint condition like that. So just those alone, if you're into that stuff. I think he charged me like $6 for this, and then like a couple of bucks for each of the cars. So Yeah, those will go on the layout. You can never have enough vehicles, and I was kind of short on vehicles, so I think I have enough now. Anyway, that's my update for today. Enjoy your week. Cheers.